Hey everyone, so I started the epoxy. So I got a container. So I was told by the boat shop to put 1:1, so half basic, half and half. So I've done 150 and 150, and I was able to do the ceiling and one side of the trailer and a little bit of the back. This is very strong. I've been wearing a mask and goggles, and I really recommend you doing outside. I'm doing the garage, but now it is what it is. The weather today is not great, and I really wanted to get this done. So this is what I'm using. 150 mils of this, 150 mils of that, and then that's going to be enough probably for me to finish the first coat on the whole trailer. So wish me luck. I've never done this before. Yeah, that's it. See you. Por tudo que tenho, tesouro maior desse mundo me foi dado com herança. Fiz tudo a vida, a salvação. So I was told that you should apply the second coat when it's tacky. So there is less here than there is here. It's quite tacky here. And here it's tacky as well. So I think it's fine for the second coat. Okay, so second coat done. I waited 1 hour. So 1 hour later, I'm here, and I'm not sure if you can hear. It is tacky. So I'm going to do the third coat.